kindergarten, our book today is about an owl, and he wants to ask the question, who, who, who? And that's how you spell the word who, like, who ate all the pizza last night? Who didn't put their socks away? Those kind of questions. It's a WH word. It's who. And so this owl is looking for friends, and so he's going to ask people who will. So let's take a look at this book and see if there's some coaching we can do before you go read it. Oh, I got to get my face out of the words. I'll sit next to the owl. Who? Said the little owl. It even looks like he's got his arms up, like asking the question, doesn't it? Oh, I know this word. Do you remember that one? It's wants. Who wants to fly with me? Now, I know that this is a word we've been practicing a lot. If with me. Okay? Oh boy. Looks like he's chasing the mouths. Now this word right here, you're going to have to stretch it out. Ready? Hunt. Hunt. Yes. Oh, this word you already know. See it? You already know that one. I'm not going to coach you on it if you know it. So, here's a chunk. That is the ing chunk. So it's, of course, sing. You don't need me on help. Uh-oh. He found a friend. Now, it could be a crocodile. It could be an alligator. The only way I know is I'm going to check. Oh, boy. Do you see it? Now, that will at-o-r, because that doesn't make any sense. So I have to chunk it. Look. Gat, or oops, flippy dolphin. Alligator. And just look at what the owl says. Does she really want him? No, no, said the little owl. And that's the end. Boys and girls, this is a Level C book. It's called Who, and I think you're going to have a great time reading it today. Bye.